Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop.
And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey, gang, Poppy here. I've been waiting a while, a couple, 3 weeks now, to be able to record this. Christy managed to kill her tablet. That happens a lot. Anyway, April decided she'd give Christy another tablet because Christy can't live without her tablet. My wife went to eBay and she found this seller, One Eastern Shop. That's the seller name. One Eastern Shop. And she orders a 10.1 inch tablet. Android, some off brand, no name, XGODY, XGODY. Anyway, I mean, the price was nice, just under 50 bucks. Tax and shipping out the door, all that. The problem is, does that look like a 10.1 inch tablet to you? I mean, 8 3/8. Yeah, 8 3/8. Corner to corner. Okay, my wife contacted the seller to say, hey, you sent me the wrong one. I paid for a 10.1 inch. He said, oh, that is 10.1 inch from corner to corner outside of case. My wife told him, no, 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 no. That measurement is always the picture. And anyway, that ain't no 10.1 inch, right? So he giving her the runaround. Liberally spiced with no tiki, no washi. I got you money, fongul. Finally, my wife just gave up. She said, well, we can give it to Maddie. She's 4 years old. She'll destroy it. But, she'll love it while she's destroying it. And my wife says that. And I said, well, hey, maybe I could use it to record out in the shop. So today, she told me, hey, you can have it. Use it in good health and enjoying all that. So I shot a short video. Then I found it and I emailed it to me. Then I saved it out of that email and I run it through VideoPad. VideoPad likes them. So all I got to do is get a 128 gig micro SD chip, and this can go back in the computer I'm recording on. And I can start recording with it out in the shop. I'm going to try that because it's almost, it's almost have another heart attack time when I take my computer out to the shop so I can record out there. And since I have to record out there, I'm going to try this. And the quality is acceptable. Yeah, you know what I mean. I guess it's to protect me because ex-Goody loaded a whole bunch of child programming on here. I mean, YouTube Kitty and safe stuff, the parental parental controls and all that. Yeah, no. But anyway, and I went to YouTube, signed in with my name, my email that I used for YouTube, and I started watching James Clow, the one I was going to watch yesterday but didn't. Okay. That's that. One moment. Hey, gang. This little guy's name is Smokey. He's a week old. His eyes are just opening. He's never been out of the box before. Isn't he cute? We think we have a relative who's going to get the 4 kittens homes. We'll see.